Hello class, my name is Raimee Mendoza, my partner is Jordan. I'll be doing the second portion of the project, which is from question 9 all the way down to question 16, I believe. So for question 9, it says evaluate the mean, variance, and standard deviation from the sample obtained on question 7. So my mean, for that portion, this portion right here, it came out to be 161.5. The variance is 446.48, and the standard deviation was 21.13. And for question 10, it asks us to use our calculator to insert the one variable stats of the XO of the output to 2.2 to 4 decimal places. As you can see, it's right there. But it's 20.5973. So for question 11, I didn't really know how to do it, so I'm going to leave it blank and move on to 12. And for question 12, I did use the original dataset from question 1. And using the sum and leaf plot to estimate the shape of distribution. As you can see, I used StatCrunch for this. By looking at the stem and leaf plot for the 10 values, the shape of the distribution is approximately skewed to the left because there are more values in 19 right there, with some outliers. And then for question 13, this is what I got. I put at least 88.89% of the running speed within 3 standard deviations, for the mean is 83.6 to 243.3, and our units is weights, so I used weights. And for number 14, it says create a confidence interval for the mean, either using 90, 95, or 99. So I used 95. And I'm using 10 variables, and the mean is 163.4. The confidence interval, the critical values, I got 2.26. Our standard error, I got 19.02. And for the 95 confidence interval for mean, this is the formula for it. And this is what I got. So I just plugged in the mean and the standard error. And so I got these two variable values, which is 144.38 and 182.42. And so I put the 95% confidence interval for mean is the 144.38 and 182.42 in weights. And then this is my picture that I did for the critical value. And then for question 15, I actually didn't quite understand it, so I tried starting it. I didn't end up finishing it. Sorry, guys. But for question 16, it says design a test for the mean. I put that the test the claim that the mean that equals to 170.2. This is my mean, my standard deviation. I used the same confidence interval, which is 95, and I also used the same variables. And so this is what I got. So HO is M equal 170.2, and the HA is M not equal to 170.2. I did use a t-test, and this is the confidence interval. Sorry, I keep saying that. This is the critical value. I still use the same thing as 0.2, 2.26. And the t-test, this is what I got. I got negative 0.8078, and the p-value was 0.4401. I used StatCrunch for this portion right here. It does tell you the t-test and also the p-value. And since we would reject the HO because the p-value is greater than the alpha, which is 0.025, using the confidence interval of 0.95. This is it. Thank you.